So if you're using ChatGPT, you've probably never seen this. Watch. I'm going to type the same thing into both. Build me a meal planner. ChatGPT gives me code, a wall of it, which I can't do anything with unless I know how to run it. Claude gives me the actual thing. It's running right here. I can use it. And I never wrote a single line of code. I just asked. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to switch from ChatGPT to Claude, even if you've never touched it before, and build your first working AI tool by the end of this video. Let's jump in. All right, so you can see right here, I've already prepped and done the exact thing that I just told you about in the intro, right? So make me a meal plan generator. I'm actually telling it a meal plan generator. That should indicate and signal that I want you to code something for me. I want you to make something that's like a tool, right? And so I'll turn this into something you can actually use right away, blah, blah, blah. But they used a generator prompt plus a simple structure you can use to reuse for yourself or turn it into. Now, we are inside of ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT does some great things, right? But for this particular use case, I'm showing you why Claude wins every single time, right? So what it did was, here's a ready to use meal plan generator. You can copy and paste into ChatGPT anytime. So meal plan generator prompt. So it created a meal plan generator right here. So it's expecting us to copy this and open this up and paste this in as a prompt each time. And then here is an example filled in version for you. Your personal meal plan generator, boom, boom, boom. And it filled all this out right over here. Here's a mini generator right here. So this is what we got. We actually didn't even get code. It did not even create code for us. No tool we could put on our website. No, this is not useful for us by any stretch of the imagination. Now, let's go and see what Claude built for us with this exact thing. Look, make me a meal plan generator right here. I'm going to go into Claude and you'll be able to see, look at this, make me a meal plan generator. That's all I told it to do. And look at right here. I'll build you an AI-powered meal plan generator, a real tool where you set your preferences and it generates a custom plan on the fly. Let me check the design guidance first and then build it. So now it did all these steps, it built it. And let's go and take a look. It created this artifact right here. And now we can go and actually take a look at what it created for us. So it's called mice. Set your week and everything goes in its place. Meals, macros, and a grocery list scaled to your kitchen. Remember, we literally used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We typed in 6 words into Claude. And this is what it built for us. You could put this on a website. You could put this behind a paywall and have people pay for this, right? This is just to demonstrate to you why each large language model is different, and you get completely different results based on the exact same 6 words, the exact prompt and information we gave it to both. And you'll see that Claude wins hands down with understanding what you actually need and want. Because I wanted a tool. I wanted it to be a meal plan generator. I didn't say prompt, I didn't say tool, but Claude won when it came to creating the right one. So length of plan, let's go with a 7-day meal plan was to maintain, lose weight, build muscle. Let's go with lose weight, people to cook for. 2, you could type in any of to avoid, and let's just do that. Let's go with, we can go meal plan per day. We can go 3 plus a snack. And then if you wanted 2 snacks, you could just add it in over here, add a 2 snack plus 3 meal plan as well. Diet pattern, no restriction. Look at all these right here, high protein. We can go with a keto diet, which is awesome. A daily calorie target. So let's just say we are at 2,000 calories, which is a standard diet. And then cuisine, vibe, so Mediterranean, quick weeknight. You can do all that, but we're going to just keep that optional. Let's just say quick meals. Quick, easy meals is what I'm going to say. And now generate meal plan. It's going to go out there and create this for us. Now, it did have some issues on the plans right over here, but this is exactly what it will look like, right? Day 2, bacon and eggs scrambled, fluffy scrambled eggs and crispy bacon and melted cheddar cheese. It's going to give you the calories, the protein, the carbs, the fat right there, tuna stuffed avocado, pepperoni and cheese bites right there. Is the snack, and then garlic butter, salmon, and zucchini. So it did those 2. And all you have to do is just come over here and say, hey, on day 1, 3, 4, and 6, after running it, it couldn't plan this day. Try again. Can you look in to this and fix. All you have to do is just type that in right now. It's going to go to work and get started to fix this for us. And it's going to say something like, artificial intelligence is here to stay, and your company's growth now depends on your next move. Introducing the AI for Business Summit, a free live online workshop. You'll get a clear step-by-step blueprint to maximize AI across your entire business: marketing, sales, lead generation, and social branding. Learn to get more done in less time, fill your funnel, turn low-cost assistants into powerhouse team members, and become the #1 authority in your market. Taught by 4-time Inc. 5000 founders. Get your free seat today by clicking the first link in the description. Okay, perfect. So good catch. The error fires when a day's request either gets rejected or comes back. Burst rate limiting, truncated, blah, blah, blah. My original code had no retry, boom, boom. Now let me replace the API helper block with the robust version. And we'll come down here. It'll fix that up for us right here. Now let me update the components generation logic to use the pool retries and tolerant parsing. Let me view that section. Okay, so it says it fixed it all. Let's go and take a look. A lot of times I like to push the refresh button over here. Now remember, you can also come over here and you can publish your app. You can download the code and you can actually go and host this on, any of your hosting providers as well, if you really wanted to do that as well. So we refresh, we click on the artifact right here, we open it up, we drag this over like this, and we say 7 days again. We want to lose weight. We want to go with 2. I'm going to do the same thing. Peanuts, or we're just going to put nuts right here. Nuts. We're going to say the snack. We're going to say keto, and we're going to say 2,000 calories. And we're going to say quick, easy meals. Generate plan right here, and it's going to plan our week, and hopefully this will be fixed. And there we go, just like that. Just vibe coding, just saying, hey, something's broken. And now we have that bacon and egg scramble. We have bacon and egg cups right there, tuna avocado bowl, and then right over here. So the next thing you would want to do is it's using a lot of tuna in the same, and there's a pattern. So you'd want to just go and instruct this. You'd probably want to go and fill it with some meals and say, hey, it's got to be changed up. Only use, bacon and eggs, 3 times a week on any given plan. If you're going to build this out and actually use this as a real tool, you'd want to go and spend some time in here. And then it actually has a grocery list. We didn't even tell it to do this. So you could go and copy this list. You could go in here and use this when you're shopping and say, okay, cool, we've got everything we need right here. This is really, really sweet. So let me know what you guys think below, but which one wins, guys? Which one is just the powerhouse tool when it comes to creating tools that you can actually use? And I think that the big winner and kind of the surprising thing here is that I used the exact same prompt in both tools. In both tools, we used the exact prompt, and look at the difference between what we got right here. Just a prompt in ChatGPT, and we got a full-fledged piece of software, functional software right here in Claude. So wanted to do this test for you guys. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you get more great tutorials based on all the latest and greatest large language models and software out there. I'll see you in the next video. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and your company's growth now depends on your next move. Introducing the AI for Business Summit, a free live online workshop. You'll get a clear step-by-step blueprint to maximize AI across your entire business: marketing, sales, lead generation, and social branding. Learn to get more done in less time, fill your funnel, turn low-cost assistants into powerhouse team members, and become the #1 authority in your market. Taught by 4-time Inc. 5000 founders. Get your free seat today by clicking the first link in the description.